GrowLife Global Healthcare, GrowLact capsules, composition. Each 500 mg capsule contains Shatavari Mool Churna 250 mg, Ashwagandha Mool Churna 250 mg.
Designed to address common lactation challenges. Maternal perception, when the mother feels milk production is insufficient. Infant satisfaction, when the baby is not satisfied after feeds or demands frequent feeding due to hunger. Growth concerns, inadequate weight gain in the infant after correcting latch and feeding technique. Postpartum recovery, comprehensive support for the recovering mother. Physical weakness, vital support for weak and exhausted mothers. Surgical recovery aids healing and energy restoration post C-section. Nutritional support addresses anemia and general nutritional deficiencies common after childbirth. Hormonal balance, Shatavari acts as a nourishing tonic to restore hormonal equilibrium. Stress-related milk reduction, the challenge stress is a major inhibitor of the letdown reflex open parenthesis, oxytocin release close parenthesis. High cortisol levels can physically prevent milk flow, creating a cycle of anxiety and low supply. The solution, Shatavari and Ashwagandha possess mild adaptogenic properties. They help modulate the body's stress response, promoting relaxation and positively affecting the milk ejection reflex. Support for lactation. GrowLife serves as an essential adjunct therapy alongside standard protocols, frequent stimulation, regular breast stimulation to signal demand, skin-to-skin direct contact to boost oxytocin levels, counseling, proper technique and emotional support. Shatavari open parenthesis asparagus racemosus wilt close parenthesis root extract for postpartum lactation. A randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study. Ashutosh Ajgaonkar et al. Methodology, modern clinical standards. Participants: postpartum women presenting with subjective lactation insufficiency within 1 week of delivery. Intervention: standardized root extract of A. racemosus administered twice daily for 30 consecutive days. Evaluation: primary endpoint, change in serum prolactin levels. Secondary, maternal satisfaction and infant growth. A double-blind randomized clinical trial for evaluation of galactogogue activity of asparagus racemosus wilt. Mr. Gupta et al. Iran J. Farm Raise 2011 Winter. Study design: Murdu Gupta. The trial enrolled 60 postpartum mothers who were randomly assigned to either the Shatavari or placebo group. Dosage: Shatavari root powder at 60 mg per kg per day. Evaluation parameters included maternal prolactin levels and the infant's weight gain over a 30 days period. Correlation: prolactin infant growth.
Shatavari research comparison.
Clinical study comparison matrix. Consensus across clinical evidence, efficacy, consistent positive outcomes across all 3 major trials, spanning 14 years of research. Lactation, primary benefits centered on increased milk volume, fullness and infant nutritional support. Safety, minimal to no adverse effects noted in modern trials, establishing a safe therapeutic window.